Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Etsy ads and pause promoted listings. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw from Etsy ads, start by logging into your Etsy account. Once logged in, navigate to the Shop Manager. On the left sidebar, find and click on Marketing. In the Marketing section, select Etsy ads. You'll see an overview. To withdraw, look for the pause button next to the active campaigns. Click the pause button to stop the campaign immediately. A confirmation prompt may appear. Confirm your choice to pause the campaign. Next, to pause individual promoted listings, return to the Marketing section. Click on Promoted Listings under the Etsy Ads tab. Here, you'll see a list of your promoted items. Find the listing you wish to pause. Click on the toggle switch next to the listing to turn it off. Once the toggle is switched off, the listing will no longer be promoted. Repeat this for any other listings you want to pause. When finished, navigate back to your Shop Manager dashboard. Check that your adjustments have been successfully applied. You are now withdrawn from Etsy ads and have paused your promoted listings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.